All right, for those of you that are new to this channel, we are running a contest to give away 2 Aventon cinch bikes like this. So all you have to do is watch the video and look for the icon like this, which is a little cinch bike, and it'll have a letter or a number or an image on top of that. So look for that and keep track of those throughout the video. Now those clues are randomly put in the video in any location. Could be at the beginning, could be in the middle, the end, or all of those things in there. But somewhere in the video you're going to see at least one clue. There's usually multiple clues, but look for it and remember what it is so you can enter it into the form. And then when you're all done, all you have to do is go to this link right here. I'll have it below, but you go use this QR code, scan it on your phone, and it'll take you right there, and you fill out the entry form to win the bikes. And at the bottom there, in the form, it's going to let you put in the clues that you saw from this episode. And don't forget to put that episode number. It's very important to organize your answer, whether it's right or wrong. So have fun, enjoy the video, and look for those clues. Remember, it's going to be a little cinch bike like this with a letter, a number, or an image on top of it. All right, back to the video. Okay, everybody. I'm not going to say that.
No. Hi, guess where we are? We're not telling.
What do you think of the view behind us?
Pretty cool.
Pretty impressive, isn't it? We're going to have a few more like this.
1 or 2 maybe.
We're going
get lucky.
We're going to do fun things and not so fun things, but you're going to enjoy. For example,
if it kills us, you're going to enjoy us.
For example, you're going to watch Jo when she rolls down this hill.
Oh my God. I really almost took it.
See? Okay, this is kind of a continuation from the video from Bryce Canyon. This is the middle step of the grand staircase that I talked about. So getting into Zion is just a gorgeous drive, as you can tell here. Once you get in there and you get to the visitor center, there's really not much to do unless you want to get a little trinkets and stuff at in the shop there. But you can get a lot of information about the different trails and things of that nature. What you'll see here is there's a topographical map here that kind of shows all of the destinations, the trails, things of that nature, which really is helpful. I got a lot out of it. So our first hike that we did was Angel's Landing, and you see us kind of going up here. I did the voiceover because huffing and puffing so much I didn't really record much, so I thought I'd do this. Anyway, as you can tell, the views are spectacular. There is a few areas that are narrow. It takes about 5 hours to get to the top, and once you get up there, the views are just breathtaking. Worth the trip. Zigzagging quite a bit in the beginning, then it goes kind of straight up from there. Worth the trip. It is kind of a workout, so be prepared and take lots of water. Okay, I'm jumping in to interrupt this video to bring you a little entertainment. Remember we talked about we were going to have a new segment called People Say What? So here's someone you all know that seems to embellish on things and make things up completely when you know they're lying.
And so I was sort of raised in the Puerto Rican community at home. I got my education for real in the black church. And that's not hyperbole, it's a fact. I probably went to shul more than many of you did.
I used to drive a tractor trailer.
I became a professor at the University of Pennsylvania.
Now concedes he did not graduate in the top half of his law school class, that he does not have 3 degrees from college, and that he was not named outstanding political science student in college.
Newsweek says Biden actually went to school on a half scholarship, ended up near the bottom of his class, and won only 1 degree, not 3.
Joe Biden ranked 76th in a class of 85 at the University of Syracuse Law School.
I mean, we could do the whole hour on this. We just don't have time. Why does Joe Biden do this? How insecure do you have to be to lie about who you are?
Now that is a People Say What? Now back to the video with this awesome trip. So here we are in a part of Zion that I think very few have ever heard about or visited.
Or attempted.
Or attempted. It's not on the beaten path. It is way off the beaten path.
Way up the beaten path.
Yeah, very north of everywhere.
Yep.
It's called Lava
Point Lookout.
And it's in the Kalab Valley area.
Kalab.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway, if you're wondering, is it worth the trek to get up here? It's a beautiful drive, but you're going down a long dirt road to get here.
Or up a dirt road, too.
And you'll see here the viewpoints.
Why?
And I will tell you, we love it for one reason.
There's nobody here.
Exactly.
Nobody.
Secluded.
Just the two of us and lots and lots and lots and lots of flies.
Yeah, there's quite a bit of flies in
for some reason.
Utah. I don't know what the problem is here.
Yeah, maybe it's us.
It could be.
It's our posse.
Maybe
we got friends.
Yeah, don't say we don't have friends.
Yeah, we got plenty of friends.
Yeah, and they fly around for us.
Yeah.
And deliver messages as they buzz my face. I don't know if they're showing up on camera.
I know. They're like
big horseflies. Anyway, so we're going to explore more of this and show you some of the scenery.
Pretty cool.
And Joe's going to look for a really nice cliff where I can have an accident.
No.
And
I'd never do that.
Because she did up the insurance policy, I understand. I heard her on the phone whispering with the insurance agent. So, 3 policies? Okay.
No.
All right.
Oh my gosh!
All right.
We gotta go.
The journey continues. We're going to find a new place to look out over the valley.
Yep. See ya. Bye.
So, we came along a little trail, and we noticed this sign here. The main road said, "Do not enter." So I don't know if we're supposed to be back here or not, but you know us. We like to explore. Oh, that's all brand new. Look at that.
Look at this. Look at this.
We'll get over there, but straight over that way is the north end of the Narrows. I think it's that 1, 2, 3, between that 3rd and 4th valley, I believe, is the beginning of the Narrows. And over on that side, over here, is the entry point or the river that runs into it. Don't quote me on that, but after looking at a map, I believe that to be the case. Oh, wow.
Right?
That's straight down. So if you guys decide to journey up this way, hopefully by then this will be finished and you'll be able to walk out here safely. And if you use basic common sense, you can walk out here right now. Yeah, I would not recommend bringing your little children up here. This is straight off the edge. So I don't want to be too gross, but apparently we ran over something I didn't even know I ran over. I'm guessing it died. Here's the aftermath. Blood all over the rim and the wheel. No, Joanna's okay. She's in the car. I didn't run her over. But I ran over some critter. Didn't even know it. That's what happens. This is what happens when you go off-roading through the woods.
That was a little bigger than a critter.
A little bigger than a critter? Mm-hmm. You think I would have seen it or felt it?
Yeah, but I'm telling you, a little chipmunk wouldn't have done that.
Well, maybe a little bigger.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, I'm a killer of wildlife.
I've been saying that for a long time.
I didn't mean to, guys.
You did.
I just don't know what it is.
You did.
You're not nice. You look so tiny up there. Oh, really? Up along the wall? Can you? Trail's down here, though. Does it go up and over there, down to the trail? Oh. Is there a trail that goes up that way? The dead end. Okay. We're in Dead End Canyon. We are in Dead End Canyon. That'd be a cool canyon to hike. Or whatever you want to call it. Slot Canyon.
Obviously. Bottom.
No, I know. And here we are with Joe leaning over the edge, as usual.
I'm gonna hold my nose and go.
Alright everybody, here we are at the end of the day.
Hi.
In Zion. We've seen a lot today. Hello.
Hi. We have. We've done a lot today.
Yeah, she's getting more content for you. And you're going to see here, well, you'll see that's already seen this, but we're on the edge of the rock. And what's the name of this trail? Canyon View? Something?
Overlook? Thank you.
Canyon View Overlook. Thank you.
Yeah.
So it's absolutely gorgeous here, guys. So we've just shown you guys a whole bunch of stuff that you normally don't see on all those videos out there with Zion.
Yeah, this is pretty amazing.
So
yeah.
This is a great way to cap off the day.
Yeah.
And what else do you want to talk about? That's it?
It's been a great bucket list day.
It has been. So all of you, don't forget that we're having that contest for the 2 free Cinch bikes. Great e-bikes, right?
Yep.
If you guys don't know what those are, go watch our episodes where we did reviews on them.
Yeah.
They are big winners for the RV industry. Everybody loves them.
They do. Yeah. We don't because we like our big monsters, but we're partial to them.
Yeah. So, but great bikes, and also don't forget to be the Click Monster.
Click Monster, like, subscribe, ring that bell.
And do all the stuff that you're supposed to do. Well, thanks for joining us today. We hope you loved it. We appreciate you joining us. Make it a great bucket list day.
Bucket list day.
See ya. Bye.